is my SEO blog automation. Okay, so I have created with the n8n workflow. So what it does, whenever I actually create an entry on this Google sheet, so it has some columns like when this post should be published, what is the topic is about, and some other information related to that. Whenever I have created this entry on this specific date, this workflow will run. Okay, so it has multiple actually steps to actually make the workflow, make the blog post. And after making the blog post, like here you can see, it will create the table of content, then generate the content, then it will humanize the content also, then it will make the title, make the slugs, and also it will make the image, and it will directly upload to the WordPress site, that credential website here. So let it run and see how this workflow actually works. So as you can see, it started to actually executing the workflow. Okay, as you can see, this workflow has finished running. So if you can if we check our Google sheet, you can see the article has been published. If you go to the site and refresh it, you will see a new article is here, that is actually Revolution AI, an in-depth look at the Grok flow. So this article, this automation has generated. You can say this image also, this workflow is generated, and this is the article format. It has done the internal backlinks and the all the backlinks works, SEO works. Okay, and it has divided the article into subsections. It automatically posted on the WordPress site.